All right, guys, we're out here at Cardinal Grove. We are touring DR Horton's model, the Henley, and I just want to talk about it, what's going on in this area. They're currently in phase 2. First of all, we are on the southwest side of Marion County in Decatur Township. Purpose of this video is, can we find a new build home under 400,000? And you sure can. All right, we got a pickleball court over here, and then right in this area we've got a cornhole. A couple of those set up. Over here there is a picnic shelter area. Now, one thing you want to be aware of is if you have a pickleball court close to your house, I mean like right across the street, you might want to be aware of the twink, twink, twink noise, that pinging noise that I've heard from other homeowners and condo owners, of that constant noise that's kind of distracting. So if you don't mind that, plenty of homes right in front of it. If it's something that you are wanting more peace and quiet, just pay attention to the lots. There's a couple lots that's going to be built right here. Looks like over in this area as well. If you want more of a quiet, peaceful area and you're not wanting the foot traffic around you when people are playing cornhole, or over here at the pickleball courts, or just walking to and from on the trails or whatever. So it's just some things that you want to be aware of when you are picking your lot. So this property right here has a lot premium because of, right out there, because of the pond. Just want to give you a real quick view of this property. Let me pan out a little bit. There you go. So that way you get what the rear of the property looks like. This property here is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square feet. It also has an area downstairs where it could be a flex room, it could be an office, it could be a playroom. There is also 1 bedroom downstairs with a full bath, and then you got your 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms, 4 more bedrooms upstairs, along with 2 other baths. Now what you're seeing here is 2 AC systems. This is a split system right here, which will not be included with the home because that is to keep the office, the garage area, that's been converted over to their office cool. All right, out here at Cardinal Grove, they have limited hours. Definitely, if you want a VIP introduction, get with me. You'll see all my contact information down below. So that way we could get yourself in a VIP meeting here. So that way you can actually determine if this property or this community is for you. So let's go ahead and enter on in. Hopefully this is unlocked. Now this property is, as it actually sits, it has 20,000 in upgrades, and it was told that because it is part of a lot premium. So the base price for this Henley out here at Cardinal Grove is $390,000. And as it is optioned out here, right now what you're seeing $390,000 for this property here. You got your living room, eat-in kitchen, undermount sink. You do have an option for quartz countertops if you'd like that. These are not 42s, they're your standard cabinets here. And one thing I always like, you guys know, is a pantry. Let's see if we got a light in there. It's motion sensor. Nice. So you can see there's tons of storage if you have a big family. This community does have gas, as you see that. So now let's go back around the corner here where I said this could be an office, it could be a playroom, it could be a dining room. It have to be a small table. It couldn't be too big, but it could be some kind of flex room. I see it more as an office, and you could put some French doors here. Couldn't do any kind of barn door. There's just not enough room on each side. So let's go around the corner here. And this is where you have your bedroom that's downstairs. So you got one bedroom downstairs with access to a full bathroom. No walk-in closet. I'm thinking this room here is about a 10 by 10. Don't quote me on that. All right, here is your full bath on the main level, which would be a half bath for guests as well. Looks like there is plenty of storage in this floor plan. What I'm seeing, there's some more storage underneath here, underneath the stairs going up. You can sit 1, 2, 3 on this island. And I'm sure a lot of these recessed lighting here is part of the upgrades. All right, let's go upstairs and see what's going on. All right, we're going to save the primary for last. You also have a second floor laundry area. I do like that. I do like this loft area here. It's nice and long, where you could have a really super long couch here. You could have a TV over here. You can have a couple workstations. So I do like this area. You got your mechanicals up here as well. Behind the closet, you have your water heater, which is electric. And I'll show you on the other side, which you have your gas furnace. And you can always tell it's gas by these PVC exhausts. Plenty of space over in this area. More storage. A pre-plumb here for your water softener, and up there is the, let me see here, it's gotta be, I'm not seeing, oh, go ahead and turn this on. There we go. That is your manifold for your gas manifold. Another nice sized bedroom. Kind of a walk-in closet. I mean, you can step in, you can walk in, but it's not anything that's real deep. I'm sure the paint on the walls is an upgrade, because you probably have the standard white. Let's go around here. Nice sized bedrooms. Another semi walk-in closet. It's just nice and deep, where you have a regular swing out door. Nice sized linen closet. I like this, where there's 2 sinks right here, and also you got your toilet and your tub back in this area. It's not a Jack and Jill, but you can actually close this off, lock it off, where you could have somebody in there getting ready for school, using the restroom, taking a shower, bath, while you have others out here who can still get ready for school, brushing their teeth, or whatever it might be. All right, another bedroom. So like I said, we got 4 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down, 2 baths up, 1 down. So we're gonna head around the corner, which your primary is on the second floor. It is kind of separated, which I do like. Here we go, right here. Come around. So the purpose of the model is you can always see where, is there enough room for 2 nightstands? This is a king size bed here. That just shows you how big this area is. Plenty of room for dressers, a sitting chair, Probably mount a TV up there. Plenty of space in this area. Now let's go into the primary. Couple sinks there. I do like that. Nice walk-in closet. And always the joke, guys. We know this is for the female and this is for the male. Just get used to it. Over here, we've got another water closet. I like that, where we have a door, that way we can close it off. Keep the fan going, keep the stink out. Now we got our shower here. Something here you want to just kind of be aware. It is not that tall. I am 5'4", and I can almost hit my head. So if you're any taller, say 5'6" or taller, when you step up into there, you're probably going to hit your head. So just be aware of that. With the this DR Horton Henley floor plan, I don't know, this could be something standard across all of them. And around here, some more linen closet. I do like this floor plan because there's plenty of windows down here. Lets a lot of light in here. I'm sure if these recessed lights were off, there would still be plenty of lights coming in. This is a huge area right here. As you can see, there's a nice, let me see, three sectional, 3 section there. So you can see how big it is. Also with the end table and another seating chair. It's just a nice big open area. I was talking with the sales rep, and they do have some great financing going on right now. Currently at, he said, a 4.75. They also do have some closing costs. They also have special things if you're to come in and build one of their, or buy one of their quick move-in properties, or if you want to build from ground up. He said not many are doing that because they're building so fast in here that you're just able to come in here and get a quick move-in spec home already. So guys, if you're interested in learning more about the DR Horton product down here in the Cardinal Grove area, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is down below. I'm Devin Hunter. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty in the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area, and I'm down here in Decatur Township right now, showcasing Decatur Township along with some of the builders in this area. So feel free to check out my contact information. If you're looking to move to this area, whether it's 9 days or 90 days, I'm here to help you make that smooth move to the Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area. Whether it's in this area or another area in the Metropolitan Donut area, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you out, answer some questions about this area, and help you choose an area that might be right for you. All right, guys, have a great day.